Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how you can book flight tickets for Disneyland Paris. First of all, if you have an extra ticket, you could also count me in. Anyways, the process is actually very simple. You want to search for flights to Disneyland Paris, just like so. And then you'll see something called TripAdvisor. This is one of the most famous and trusted. Now, you want to select if it's a round trip or a one way. Also, the destination. Where are you going from? Are you from Houston, London, wherever you are? You just want to put that up over here and then select your exact airport that you're going to go from. Let's say where you want to go from Heathrow. And then if it's a round trip, then obviously you want to select the starting date, which is the date you'll be going, and the ending date, which is when you want to come back from that place. And then right over here, you need to select what class do you want to go, economy, premium economy, and then business class, or is it first class? And then you have to put up the amount of people that you want to buy the tickets for, and also make sure you ensure the right age, because a lot of times it is needed for the flights, whether they have those children security or senior security or not. After choosing everything, you just want to click on find flights, just like so, and then wait for some time for it to load up and do all the work for you. Now, as you can see that these are the prices for British Airways. It's 187, and if you want to go business, then it's 221. All of these, and also you'll see something called non-stop, which means that the plane will not stop anywhere in between. So I would say from here, choose anyone that you want according to your budget and also the premium feeling, but this is very much the process. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.